Hi everybody, this is Noelle and we are here at Jason's raised garden.
Hello.
We are a little bit later in the summer right now, so we're in August and we're going to talk about harvesting today. And Jason has been harvesting literally his lettuce and tomatoes and peppers off. And so we're going to talk a little bit about lettuce right now. Behind us is his lettuce bed, and in August you're going to see a lot of your leaf lettuces bolt, and so we'll show you those flowers, so you know what we're talking about. And it's actually time to pull that bolting lettuce and actually re-sow. So cold crops right now, if you re-sow, you've got plenty of time to continue to have leaf lettuce going well into late fall and even the winter time.
And that's the one thing that's nice, is that it's not a matter of if. When it gets hot, it's going to bolt. Even with consistent harvesting, you're kind of getting to a point in time when it's really just best to pull it out, start over, and like you said, you can have fresh salad well into November, and then if Mother Nature cooperates, even further.
Yeah, absolutely. And of course, when that flowering, that bolting starts to happen, you'll notice the leaves start to get thicker, and if you do try to sample them, they will be extremely bitter. Now that's okay if you like bitter greens, but in this case, they're pretty leathery, pretty leathery and pretty bitter. We tried some this morning to see how bad is it. So
pretty bad.
Yeah,
it was rough.
It was really bad. So we're going to show you with the leaf lettuce. You didn't really have any other problems with the lettuces this year.
No.
And you've already got a new batch sown. So there's a little bit of seedlings coming up. There's kind of a middle batch that you ended up re-sowing. And then you'll see us kind of pull that bolted romaine out of there so we can start sowing some more. Enjoy.
Thanks.